Welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. 13 days after an alleged confrontation at Aarathi Ukkada Temple in Srirangapatana, Mandya, CCTV footage has emerged showing Aishwarya, daughter of Tumakuru rural BJP MLA Suresh Gowda, allegedly slapping Police Sub-Inspector Savitha during Bhimana Amavasya celebrations on August 12th. According to the FIR registered at Kyathanahalli Police Station, Aishwarya allegedly demanded immediate entry into the sanctorum despite heavy crowding. PSI Savitha reportedly asked her to wait for 2 minutes. Aishwarya allegedly then shouted at the officer, invoked her father's position and slapped her on the cheek. Savitha accused her of abusing, obstructing and assaulting her while she was on duty. The complaint also stated that Aishwarya questioned why Inspector Lakshmi was allowed inside while she was stopped, after which the confrontation allegedly escalated. MLA Suresh Gowda later apologized but claimed that his daughter had been verbally abused by the police officer. He said Aishwarya had requested entry but was refused while a circle inspector was allowed inside, and that the confrontation followed the alleged verbal abuse. He also stated that he had not seen the CCTV footage but expressed regret over the incident. The emergence of the footage has reignited debate over VIP privilege and preferential access at temples during major religious events.